7 best remote side hustles for 50 plus in 2026. That's what we're talking about today. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of which one could actually fit your real life right now. If you've been thinking about making money online but feel overwhelmed, unsure where to start, or worried it might be too overcomplicated, you're not alone. I've been there too. Today, I'm walking you through 7 beginner-friendly remote side hustles you can start from home, even if you have no tech skills or experience and you just want something flexible. And stay with me until the end because number 7 is the path that completely changed the direction I was going. And I'm also going to show you my mentor Wendy's amazing results and how she built what she has using that approach. Hi, I'm Lori, a married empty nester mom of 4 living in Missouri. After resigning from teaching special education because of a chronic illness over a decade ago, I couldn't work a traditional 9 to 5 anymore. I needed something flexible that worked around my health. That led me into trying blogging, Etsy shops, affiliate marketing, freelance writing, proofreading, and a lot of trial and error before finding a clearer path a few months ago. So as we go through these, just notice which one makes you think, okay, I could actually try that. Let's start with something simple and structured. Remote customer support means helping customers through chat, email, or phone for a company. Many roles pay around $15 to $25 per hour. Even part-time hours can create consistent extra income. What I like about this option is that it gives structure. You log in, you do the work, and then you log out. And for some people, that's exactly what they need right now. But if you're someone who eventually wants more flexibility than just trading your time for dollars, keep watching because the next ideas start moving in that direction. If you're organized and dependable, this can be a great fit. Virtual assistants help business owners with tasks like organizing emails, scheduling content, uploading a blog posts, or simple Canva edits. Many beginners start between $20 or $35 an hour. One thing I see people do is try to offer everything at once. You don't have to do that. Just choose one simple service and start there. Businesses care more about reliability than perfection. And even if this becomes a stepping stone, you can start learning how online businesses work behind the scenes. This is an option that many people overlook. Proofreading or editing means reviewing content and helping improve clarity and grammar. I've done freelance writing, proofreading, and editing on Fiverr myself. It was flexible and something I could work on around my health. Beginners often charge between $20 and $50 an hour. It's a great starting point, but over time, for me, I realized that I wanted something that could grow beyond these individual projects and help me stop trading my time for a paycheck. If you're more of a visual learner, you're going to love the free class I'm linking below. It takes you behind the scenes and shows you exactly how this whole thing works. So you might want to check it out. Digital products are things you create once and sell over and over again. Examples include planners, checklists, trackers, or simple guides. I've sold these types of digital products and home goods also on Etsy, and I learned so much through that experience. Just a quick example, if you created a $17 product that sold once per day, you could make about $500 per month on that one product. You don't have to be an expert. You just help solve one specific problem for one person. And if you're wondering how people figure out what to create, number 7 shows a shortcut that made this much clearer for me. Affiliate marketing means recommending products or programs you already use and earning a commission. I've done Amazon affiliate marketing, and maybe you have too. Many beginners start small and grow over time as trust builds with their audience. But affiliate marketing becomes much easier when you follow a clear structure instead of guessing what to share. And that's exactly where number 7 comes in. So let's keep going. YouTube is one of the few platforms where something you create today can continue helping people months or years later. Income can come from ad revenue, affiliate links, digital products, or building an email list. You don't need to be perfect or techie, you just need to be helpful. And now we're moving into the option that connects everything together. Following a step-by-step system removes the guesswork. Once I purchased the program I'm learning from, it felt like someone's finally turned the lights on. I had my website, funnel, and email system set up in about 48 hours. I wasn't stuck anymore. The program I'm following is perfect for beginners of all ages. You don't need a degree. You don't need tech skills. You don't need social media followers or any experience to start. All you need is your phone, Wi-Fi, and about 2 hours a day. And this is where something really shifted for me. Before this, I felt like I was always guessing what to do next. Then I started watching my mentor, Wendy, on YouTube, and what stood out wasn't just what she was teaching, it was what she had actually built by following the same process, step by step. So check out this clip.
This January alone, I earned over $58,000 online. Now, not because I worked more hours and not because I had some special skill, but because I finally understood a simple formula for earning online that I wish somebody had explained to me years ago. And if even one of these pieces is missing, it will feel confusing and inconsistent no matter how hard you try.
Now, I want to pause here for just a second because I know some of you might be thinking, those results are incredible. And yes, they really are. Watching what Wendy built helped me see that there was a clear path instead of disconnected ideas and trading all my time for dollars. Everyone's journey looks different, and results grow over time based on the steps you take. But what shifted for me was realizing I didn't have to figure out everything alone. I finally had clarity, and everything started to be a lot more doable. Our mentor, Michelle, posts short daily coaching videos that tell you exactly what to do. Plus, our community has 58.8K members, and you can check out some of them here. See the community that I'm in? Let's take a look here at some of the wins. So you can see all these people posted about all these wins. $4,100 this month. Yeah, $900 sale today on vacation. Relaxing on the couch with her children when she got a sale. First sale in November. $100 sale. $2,050 in January. If you want to see how it works, my free Freedom Formula Blueprint walks you through it step by step. You can find it linked below. Which one of these ideas stood out to you the most? Comment the number below. I read every one of your comments. And if you like simple step-by-step breakdowns like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Keep in mind, you don't need to do 7 different side hustles, my friend. You just need one clear starting point. Now that you know the 7 best remote side hustles for 2026, you might be wondering how to sell digital products online and keep 100% profit. Start with this next video here, because when you combine both together, it becomes much more powerful. I'll see you there.